Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Just an update. No work today. Plenty of Vincas. I got Vincas for days. Rather have them and not need them than need them and not have them. What do you think about the steps, pots, Vincas? It rained. Feels good though. Whole lot better. I'll take it. I'll take what I can get. Have to show you something. Lilac isn't doing too good. Somewhat embarrassed. Okay, now you see it. Now you don't. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, I planted the Vincas next to the fence again. What else was I going to do? Man, we've come a long way, haven't we? Look at this. Amazing. Simply amazing. Mulch looks good. Pavers, marble chips. Rain causes the mulch to fade, though. Oh well. I love this barbecue grill. Barbecued a couple days ago. Love it, love it, love it. Ah, yes. The lilies. Told you. They come. They go too fast, if you ask me. What about the ginger wine? Remember, it was by the pot next to the garage. Then I put it over here. I moved all this stuff, remember? I moved everything. Little lime hydrangea, holy grail hibiscus, even this lilac. I know it was sick of me last year. Don't forget about the big hydrangea. I can't complain. Again, guys, I'm on cruise control. Might have to trim this hydrangea. That ginger wine is okay. Love this lilac. It's doing wonderful. How about a different angle? You know what? I would like to thank each and every last one of you for sticking with me throughout this entire journey. It wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you so very much. We have definitely turned this house into a home. Okay, let's check on the new additions. Not you. Not you. We're going to check on this one first. How are you? You doing okay? All right. What about you? Like your new friend? Big guy? Super blue. Now we're back to you. I know you're doing good. You're nothing but a show off. We all know it. This is my storage area, guys. Don't forget about the wheelbarrow. We had trouble with it last year. Told you I was going to take care of the pots. Got the spikes in, Vincas. Got a lot going on. Don't worry about it. It's not a big deal. My only concern is we still have a long way to go. I've only scratched the surface, if you know what I mean. I can't believe I messed up that lounger. Maybe I did it on purpose. Anyway, you guys know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.